reunion is successful, we have passes or Lord.
I've been trying to do it right.
Gusto natin pasayahin yung mga magulang natin, mga lolo't lola no, sa talagang tayo kasi darating nila yung ganitong edad sa mga nag-organize sa ating mga lahat.
Papasalamat po ako sa inyo lahat, sa mga dumalo, sa panging balinan.
Kaya rin po na mag-school mo kayo.
I don't know where I went wrong, but I can write a song. I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweet home. I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweet home. I don't think you're right for him. Think of what it might have been. Chinatown, I'd be standing on Canal and Bowery. She'd be standing next to me. I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart. I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart. And now, whoa, son.
Hindi ko sa inyong lahat at sana palaging ganyan, palaging ayaw kumpleto. Yun lang po.